Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to remove low power mode now. Start by confirming your iPhone and iOS so instructions match behavior. Check the battery percentage and whether it's charging because low power mode can automatically end when it reaches 80%. Open Settings, tap Battery and toggle low power mode off, or pull Control Center and tap the battery icon. Once done, observe immediate effects on background activity and brightness. This explains why apps may resume updates and performance increases. Once low power mode is off, check for automations that can re-enable it. Open the Shortcuts app and tap Automation. Any automation that sets low power mode at a battery level or time should be deleted or disabled so it won't flip the switch again. Also inspect focus settings and any third-party battery apps which may limit performance. Make sure background, app refresh, and fetch settings are set as you prefer, because they're commonly limited during low power and can be mistaken for a persistent low power state. To finish, restart your iPhone so settings fully apply and check for an iOS update. Apple sometimes fixes battery state bugs. If low power mode still re-enables, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset. Reset all settings as a targeted step that preserves data but clears problematic settings. If that fails, force restart and, as a last resort, back up and restore. Troubleshooting tip: inspect and delete any shortcuts automations first. They are the most common culprit for a recurring low power mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.